is Sandpiper, 64-foot Constellation build cat. Listed with Bailey Wideman, the Catamaran Company. Aft deck, davits, central helm station. There's a boom tent arrangement that goes over the deck. This deck is redwood. It's lighter, more expensive than teak, and doesn't rot. Use the sanding at the moment. All electric Harkin winches. This companionway into the owner's cabin, starboard aft. Yacht has dagger boards that draws 3 feet. Very fast, very light boat. Forward locker houses the anchor locker. This houses the generator and northern lights. This companionway is for the starboard forward cabin. A separate AC, custom mattress, separate head and shower. The forward boarding ladder. This boat only draws 3 feet and can be beached. U.S. Coast Guard certified life raft. Another anchor locker forward. Sails have been stored. So it's lying in Key West, planning to come up to Fort Lauderdale. Forward locker houses a water maker and ice maker. Cap rail is teak. This companionway is for the port forward cabin, private head and shower. More Harkin electric winches. This aft companionway houses the galley and the settee. Dining. Well protected and air conditioned. Yacht has a E120, chart plotter and radar, wind instruments, depth, speed, and autopilot. Engine hours only 370 hours. Generator has 500 hours. Sandpiper port forward cabin, nicely finished in white oak. Individual stereo systems, air conditioned, separate head, shower compartment. Port forward bow locker with 500 gallon per day Spectra water maker, ice maker, additional storage. Port aft galley and dining settee, very nicely finished in white oak. Marble countertops, 3 refrigeration compartments, 5-burner force 10 stove, microwave, storage space, double stainless steel sink, and then companionway up to the deck. Aft, starboard cabin. This cabin is designed for crew. It is not completely finished out the way the other cabins are. Quite basic, keeping it light and simple and easy to access. The nav panel, access to plumbing, aft head, sink, port light, shower area, freezer, and companionway up to the deck. Starboard bow cabin, private companionway down in this cabin, again nicely finished out in white oak. Storage, separate desk, audio system. Head toilet,